Perseverance pays off for Julie. Julie Mackenzie. Now, when Julie Mackenzie started looking for a summer placement for her degree course, she had no idea that it would take more than 2 months and over 200 phone calls. And just as she was starting to look for a different approach, she was given the break she was looking for by IT company Intellicore. It was her 203rd call that finally paid off. She phoned Intellicore and spoke to one of its directors, Des Neal, who asked her to send in her CV. She was then invited for an interview with Des and fellow director Barry Booth, and a couple of hours after the interview, Julie got a call to say she had her placement. Now, the third-year student of Robert Gordon University, RGU, is halfway through her summer placement and loving every minute of it. She's pleased her perseverance paid off and is keen to tell her story to encourage others not to give up. To learn more about Julie's story, please click on the provided link.